Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how to add your earbuds to your smartphone application. First crucial thing, you need to at first hold your application in your home screen and tap App Info. Here tap Permissions. Make sure that your application has both location services allowed and nearby devices allowed. How to allow for it if it's not allowed? Tap on it and tap Allow Access. Let me show you how to do that. As you can see, once you tap, for example, location, right here you need to tap Allow Only while using the app. Now, once you have done both, we can go further. Make sure that your earbuds are unpaired from your phone. As you can see now, they are unpaired. It just doesn't want to work if they are paired. Once it's done, open the application. Tap here at Device. The application is called Hubble Connect, full live application, by the way. Here tap Motorola Wireless Vervebuds 250. Next, and now take both earbuds out of the case, the first one and the second one. Now we can close the case and they should be detected by our app. Now we've got found, we can tap continue, and here I did tap it incorrectly by mistake, so let me do this again. I wanted to show you something and the prompt has appeared. So again, here continue, and now we've got here our earbuds. You need to tap pair on your screen here, and now here we're connected. That's how it works. Goodbye.